So the reason nga no, like mag-video na ko sa self, it's not because na it's for like clout or anything or like something. This is actually for me, like a little bit of video diary journal type shit. Cause like sa tinood lang ni Soy siya kog journaling. I really tried journaling sa ko iPad this one. And girl, I just can't seem to like write. Like my thoughts move faster than I write. Yeah, it would result na kanang magbalik-balik kog basa niya mawa na ko sa og isuwat. Like, dapat ko yung mga entries dire actually. I don't know when can I stop. But lisuway siya kog journaling na jud para nako. Like tapulan jud ko musuwat. Like I feel like ang ako writing kay di mo encapsulate sa entirety sa ako paguna-una. And it's actually like pretty sad if you think about it. But at the same time, it's not really. But basically, mo ni. Di compromise na lang ko kaning mag-video journal or something. Para lang na ko ma-look back into more kuha na ko thoughts. Cause sa ako dyan obserbahan, my thoughts like run really wild. Like it's such a to so many things. Damo kay topic na ang damo kay kung ma-imagine kumbaga. I don't know if tawag ba ani, I don't di ko sure ha if tawag ano kay maladaptive daydreaming kay medyo ko sabot sa like full excuse me full definition pero feel na ko cause girl I can sit down for like an hour, let's say naghuwat ta nag-uban ta nagkuha ta og unsay nindot na I don't know, some kind of government ID. Yeah, taas kayong pila. And girl, nag-uban ta. Girl, I can sit down with you and maginoktok ra ko ana. And I can like play scenes in my head. I mean, yeah, we can talk. Pero you have to initiate first because I'm in my own world. Like, oh, uh, uh. Like, na mga times na I catch myself na talking as if na ako'y kastorya like in a movie scene. Like, girl, I play scenes in my head. Movie scenes, any type of scenes. Not the other scenes, no. I don't do that. Cause, pero, gikan ana, like, najud ko ma-blame aning ako pagka, like, so detached ba? And that is, it's something that I can't mention. But sa mga kailan ako, I think you know why. Because it requires like more than an hour of sitting doing nothing, so it's just me and my thoughts, and I do that twice a week. Yeah, anyway, yeah, like di nga na lang, like detached lang ko in a way na kanang I'm not present most of the time. Like I need something to anchor me. Like di man ingon na like lutang gid ko. Like lutang gid ko pa like magkuan, pero kaya na may times na hypervigilant ko. Like, I pay attention to my surroundings and stuff. Pero nasa times na lutang ko. So, it's like a shaky line between that kung nako sa gawas. Like, especially sa Cebu. Cause like, girl, actually sa Cebu, especially case in Cebu, cause I am always hypervigilant about anything and anyone around me. Cause I never know, natagna na day, nagsunod na ako, and give me your money, give me your bag. Like, I don't know. Yeah, but I feel like it's that. But if nako dire sa balay or like sa city or like sa kung nagit sa syudad or like sa syudad, di man kuan like kuan na kayo ko. It's just me and my thoughts and my music. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, what's going on with this bitch? Is my hair fading? Is the pink fading? I feel like the pink is fading, baby. It's like turning into an orange type of vibe. Anyway, I love music. I love it so much. It battles because it gets to a point nang ako pag una-una o maka-overwhelm, like maka-overstimulate, and music helps with that because like it's because it's like kanang imagine ang ako thoughts are this kay kwan a raging sea, like ang waves kay taas kaayo ang ana na storm nga na kanang ang dagat nga ay bagyo basically. It's so chaotic na ang music, if you add music to that, as like opening something like naigi open around that basin of water, and mo flow lang sila, and then since na may magawsan ang tubig, then di na kaya siya rampant, di na kaya siya kuan ba, it releases the pressure and it makes my thoughts go more smoothly. So I genuinely need music every single time of my life, every single moment of my life. I feel like I can't live without it. Like I feel like if while I music, I'm gonna go crazy. Like like genuinely. Mako na joke. Like girl na to'y time naghihuwam sa ko manghod ang ako earphones na mulaag unta ko. Girl, I had to antos na murag unsa ba ka lisod. Like I had to kuan try not to be overstimulated kay nag-commute ko padung everywhere, padung City Hall, padung sa eskwelahan. And girl, I had to like wait for 2 hours. Nilaka ko guwan. Naghuwat pa ko. Nakahuwat pa ko mga 3 para makagawas ako manghod. Like Jesus. And girl, imagine how annoying it is. Nasaba kayong tanan, init kaayo, yahaya suwaw kaayo, and the type of smells that you smell, nang imong gahuna-huna kay ambot, wa ko kasabot. Like, so, every time na wala ka ko, nashoot ko earphones, and my Spotify is always on premium, which is like actually sad if you think about all the other artists na di kayo makaginansya sa Spotify, because Spotify is like literally a capitalist lie. But girl, it's that or Apple Music. Mas barato mag-Spotify. I'm sorry. Mas barato ang Spotify. Because nako student discount, okay? And I'm gonna abuse that. I really am gonna abuse that. Because like, girl, I need my music, girl. Like, yeah. This is what ako talk about. Journaling. Back to journaling. I don't get how people have the, like, kanang thought process to journal. I didn't ingon na thought process, pero like, kanang, ang way to journal ba, like, do they just think and write? Kasi ako, kay mo-think pa ko. Mo-think man ko. Then, di na pa ko mo-write. Kasi ako pag-write, makuwangan sa ako pag-think. Dira jud problema. So, di jud pa rin akong journaling. So, mas prefer pa ko masturya cause like ako pag storya kay mo like somewhat mo match ako pag huna-huna. Like my speaking matches keeps my mind in check. It's like that. Like I don't know the psychology behind it, but it's like that. So this is for me. This is for my future self. So future self, if you're watching, you need to like actually grow the fuck up, bitch. Bye.